relax now. My Amatan hair stress. My Amatan hair stress. So yes, guys, let me just go over and wash it. Not after it. I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, guys, for coming, for stopping by. Everyone that stopped by. Chinwa, thank you very much. Itonha, I appreciate you a lot. I appreciate you. Chioma, yeah, Divine Chioma, I appreciate you a lot for coming. Thank you very much. God bless you. Real good. God bless you all. I got 4 tons up here. I am grateful. I appreciate it a lot. I appreciate it a lot. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Imagine it's not paining me yet, just like I said earlier that before, if it's time to retouch like this, I'd start having this fear because of the pain. There'll be that fear. But now, no more fears. No more fears. I touch my hair with confidence now. I touch the hair, no fears these days. And yes, I appreciate that a lot. From technology, the fact that they made relaxer, that's cool for us to use that without pains. Yeah, my hands are messed up from technology. So I appreciate it. I appreciate technology. I appreciate the fact that we don't cry anymore when we are relaxing our hair these days. We relax our hair these days and we are cool. They are cool. So if you can, as I just did mine now, if you can retouch your hair by yourself, why not do it yourself instead of going for them to drag and drag and drag? At the end, you start experiencing shortage of hair because you will be complaining that your hair is broken, as in it's breaking off. If you can do it yourself, do it yourself. That is why they have do it yourself or DIY. That is why they say DIY. So if you can do it yourself, why not do it yourself? Yeah. But like I said earlier, make sure you are using a very good relaxer. Don't use relaxer that are not good. These days we have a very good relaxer these days. Try and always use a very good relaxer. It will help a lot. It will do you good. It will help you avoid breakage of your hair. If you are just coming, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for stopping by. I appreciate you. And if you are new to my channel, please, 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 please join this family. Subscribe to my channel. Joy. I'm almost rounding up. Oh. I've been touching this hair for some time now. Thank you. Subscribe, okay? If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I need that thumbs up now. Give me a thumbs up. It matters a lot. It matters a lot, a lot, a lot. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Yeah, I'll go over to wash my hair and I've achieved 1 hour 4 minutes here. That's good. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. So if you can still stay, let me go and wash so that you can support the live stream. But I don't have much battery now. My phone is not close to where I can charge it. So I will end the live stream now. Joy, please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, I've been here for 1 hour. Thank God I did this because I just wish that we do this. That's what I will still do soon. Soon. I would have done this when I want to braid my hair, but I don't know how to go. I would love to do a live stream making my hair. So yes, let me see how I can dry my hair and my hands and end this live stream. Thank you very much. So I can go and wash the hair. It's retouched already. Thank you, Joy, for coming. I will end the live stream now. Catch you soon. Yeah, I appreciate. I hope this oil. Okay, yes, 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 yes.